performing for us. And so we'd like to welcome Greta Bradford to the stage at this time.
Holy cow, looks like we totally filled the auditorium, right? All right, we need a few more. Thank you for letting us come here. We are so excited to be here after 20 years. I am going to have the alumni that are here, if they'll come up with me, come on up to the stage. Let's hear it for the alumni. Look how old they are. I'm just kidding. We feel like we seriously are 18. It's not until we hang out with 18-year-olds that we're like, oh yeah, we're pushing 40. Okay, so before we start, I have a few that might have students here at Payson High. If you're alumni, you have students here, step forward for me. Okay, now the students, I want you guys to stand up. If you have parents who are alumni of 1997, please stand up. Well, the real Slim Shady. Nice! I want to see a one. I'm proud of you, son. There. I didn't see Easton stand up. Oh, there he is. There he is. Okay, we have Officer Hurst. We're going to have him lead us in the pledge, so will you please rise? Really special, and they're still kind of special. We have two alumni that actually are the faculty for Payson High. Did you guys see them?
How's it going? Cue the picture. All right, this is a picture of me and Mr. Nielsen right there. Look at that. Mr. Nielsen should have hair just like that. What do you think to say?
Who is this guy next to me? This is not the Mr. Mitchell that I know. No, he's back in our day. Things were a little bit different, obviously. I had really fluffy hair, and I was really kind of proud of it. But that was kind of the thing back then. Now it's like it's changed a little bit. That you'll kind of see that, but
Scott, the fluffy was not in. You just thought it was. It was the butt crack. Down the sides.
No, but it is awesome to be back here at Payson High School. Honestly though, the first year I was back, like I wanted to stay in my room. Like it was so weird to be here. Like I'm not supposed to be here, but it is great to be here. I love being a teacher. I love Payson High School. Payson High School. Literally, especially now that I come back as a faculty, it just reaffirms that it is one of the best schools out there. Like, I kid you not, it is amazing. So give it up to you guys for Payson being awesome. First, to start this, we have some great, 20 years later, it's kind of fun to reconnect and find out what everybody's done in 20 years. Some of us are in jail. Some of us, there's not very many. There are a lot of done huge things. We have people in Russia, we have people in Japan, we have people who are making a lot of money, making a difference in the world. And one of those, this is Amber Ryan in high school. She was a soccer player, she's a lot of fun. She's actually a doctorate in pharmacy, and she actually works for poison control here in Utah and toxology and stuff like that. But this is Amber Ryan. If you can welcome her up to the stage, she's going to introduce something for us. So here is Dr. Ryan.
So what we did was we had a lot of alumni submit videos, and what these videos are about is that we just want you guys to know as you're going through high school that Payson High School is really the foundation for being great, and you can do anything you want to do, you can be anything you want to be. And as you can see from our videos, that people are everywhere, and they offer a lot of great advice, and they want everybody to just really be proud to be a Lion. So I'll let you guys start it and take it away.
I graduated from Payson High School. In the meantime, I've been a soldier. I've lived in Ukraine, and now I'm a professor of international relations at Nazarbayev University in Astana, Kazakhstan. The things I learned at Payson High School helped prepare me for an interesting and a very exciting life. My name is Spencer Willardson. I was a student body president, and I'm proud to be a Lion.
Hi, I'm Paula Hatch-Kremser from the class of 1997. After graduating from Payson High School, I went to BYU and got a degree in human biology. I got to work with DNA for several years. Then later, when I was living in England, I decided to try writing. I wrote my first novel, and it was published a couple years ago, and my second piece of historical fiction comes out on November 8th. I got my foundation for all that I've learned from Payson High School, and I'm proud to be a Lion.
Hi, Payson High. Coach Mitchell here. 20 years ago, I played basketball in this very gym in front of the best fans and student body in the state. After high school, I served a mission in Brazil and then went on to earn a degree in education. Now, I have my dream job as a teacher and the head basketball coach here at Payson High. I also married my high school sweetheart, and we have 5 children who I want to attend this high school so they can have an amazing experience just like I did 20 years ago. I'm a husband, father, teacher, and coach, and I am proud to be a Lion.
Hi, my name is Hannah, and I am a licensed clinical social worker and an assistant professor of clinical practice at the University of Southern California School of Social Work. Being a social worker in LA means that I see some pretty difficult things. It also means that I get to be there when people decide to change their lives, which is pretty amazing. Quick shout out to my father-in-law, Mr. Reed Thompson, and to my niece, Mariah, who's a sophomore there this year. Fight on, be kind, and I'm proud to be a Lion.
Hi, my name is Jeff Eakins. I graduated Payson High School in 1997. I then went on to get my degree from the University of Utah in mechanical engineering. I ended up designing high-end road bikes and mountain bikes for a few years, and then I went on to design for John Deere. I designed transmissions. I currently hold a few patents with them, and I am now designing shooting ranges for law enforcement and military. I am proud to be a Lion.
My name is Julie Trevort Spangler, and I am a graduate of the Payson High School class of 1997. So long ago. Anyway, I went on to get my degree in elementary education from Utah State University. I am currently a real estate agent for Equity Real Estate, but my greatest accomplishment is my 6 beautiful children. It's a privilege to be their mother. So I loved Payson High School. It was a great opportunity. I met my husband there, and we have lots of fun memories, and we like to reminisce about all the good times we had at Payson High School. And we are proud to be Lions.
Hey everyone, this is Spencer Stevenson, graduating from the class of 1997. After high school, I went on to Weber State University, graduated my bachelor's degree in MRI, or magnetic resonance imaging. I've been doing that now for about 16 years. I work over at the hospitals in Provo, Utah and American Fork. And I also work at a company called Cognitive FX doing functional MRI. It's a concussion treatment and sports injury related clinic. Anyway, I've been married now for about 11 years. Have 2 daughters, wonderful wife named Teresa, and my advice for the class of 2017 would be enjoy life, hang in there, and take the bull by the horns. Anyway, everyone, good luck.
Hey, this is Emily Allen, used to be Emily McLean, graduate of 1997 from Payson High. In the past 20 years, I've had the opportunity to have so many different experiences, so many different jobs. I have worked for 2 different airlines and been able to travel the world because of that. I have been a medical transcriptionist, been so many different jobs and so many different experiences, more than I could count. Currently, I'm a certified holistic health coach, which means that I help busy moms feed their family healthy things and maybe even lose a couple pounds along the way, so that's pretty amazing. Through that, I've been able to go on few different TV shows to cook and share my recipes, and so many big things are coming and happening. It just doesn't stop. And my experience at Payson High, I was a little ADD there as well. Still don't know what I want to be when I grow up, and just don't ever plan to settle down. So it was the same there as well. I was able to experience so many different classes and activities and groups. So I'm proud to be a Lion.
Hi, my name is Dan Herring. I grew up in Goshen, but I graduated from Payson in 1997. I went on to study animation at BYU and have worked in animation and film ever since. I worked on movies like Tangled, Incredible Hulk, and Hotel Transylvania. I had a lot of fun in Payson, enjoyed my time there, and I'm really proud to be a Lion.
Did you see Brother Mr. Mitchell? Ladies and gentlemen, that's my co-host, the most boring guy in the world. Like I said.
All right, so we have a lot more of those videos. There were a lot of alumni from 1997 that submitted those, and we couldn't fit them all in during this assembly, so you're going to probably see them on the big TVs out in the halls. And so some of their experiences were pretty awesome. So if you have time, watch those. All right, so this year's homecoming theme is Capture the Moment. And our next video or segment, we are going to show some pictures that we captured back in 1997. And we went through the halls and got you guys, and we wanted you to recapture those same moments that we did in 1997. And so when the video plays, you're going to see the 1997 picture on the left and the 2017 picture down on the right. So here you go.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
Be my lover, you have got to give. Taking is too easy, but that's the way it is.
And I said, what about breakfast at Tiffany? She said, I think I remember the film, and as I recall, I think we both kinda liked it. And I said, well, that's the one thing we got, because maybe be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall.
That don't impress me much. So you got the brains, but have you got the touch? Now don't get me wrong, yeah, I think you're alright, but that won't keep me warm in the middle of the night. That don't impress me much. It's like rain on your wedding day. It's a free ride when you've already paid. It's the good advice that you just didn't take. And who would have thought it figures? I'm just a girl, a little lonely. Well, don't let me out of your sight.
thank all those students who helped us recapture the same moments that we captured in 1997. A couple things I want to point out. Not a whole lot of things have changed. Yeah, it was a little more black and white back then, a little more color now, which is a good thing. Also, that music that was played was from 1997. That's what we grew up to, listening to, and going to parties to, and all that. Yeah. Also, if you notice that last picture, Jed Jackman, he was the first one who created the selfie. Yeah, that selfie in 1997. Yeah.
Okay, so our next little segment that I hope you guys are excited for. We came in and during lunch we would ask you questions and try to figure out if you guys know what happened 20 years ago or the pop culture of 20 years ago. So this is the next part of the assembly is we have a competition between seniors, juniors, sophomores, and the alumni. Okay, so we took score on how many you guys got right, and then we'll go off from there. So and if you know the answers, you can scream them out.
For the assembly, we're having a competition between the sophomores, juniors, and seniors. If you guys know what happened 20 years ago, okay? What movie is this?
Titanic! Star Wars.
No, good job. Titanic.
Men in Black.
Men in Black.
Oh, Men in Black. I won. Which one? No, you didn't. One. Two.
Number one.
Yeah, one.
What's this one?
Anesthesia.
Anastasia. Good job.
No clue. Yeah, no clue. Cinderella? Hunger Games.
Hunger Games. That's a good one. No, it's Anastasia.
Oh, Austin Powers.
Yes, nice.
The evil guy from that one movie.
Star Trek.
Close. Austin Powers. Austin Powers.
Good job.
$8 million. Yeah. Hercules.
Very good.
I think
Came
you
out
mean
in
Hercules.
1997. Hercules. Yeah. Do you know who music group this is?
Nope. No. That's weird.
Markiplier? If you want to be my lover. I don't know what even Scary Spice and Spice Girls.
The Spice Girls.
Shut up. Good job. She had the #1 single, White Woman.
White Woman? Yes. How did you know that? No.
He died.
Tommy Boy.
It's not Tommy Boy.
Chris.
Oh, I know this one. It's, oh God, he got addicted to cocaine and then he died.
Yeah. Yep, 1997.
Farley.
Chris Farley, good job.
This is like the subject that I got. Friends.
Good.
Friends.
Yeah.
This is the other person who died.
Oh, Queen Elizabeth, I don't know.
That's close. Close, you're close.
The car crash.
Yes, car crash. Who is it?
I don't know.
No go?
Princess. I don't know.
I have no idea. Female.
Yes!
Yeah?
It's Princess Diana.
Princess Diana. She died. Oh my gosh, who's that? Hans Hansen. What song did they sing? What was their...